to recycle. I have Alan. Say hi, Alan.
Hey there.
And he's from Latham Home Recycling and Sanitation. And so we're going to walk through and show you the things that are recyclable and what's not. And so you will see when you got this blue bin a list of things that are recyclable. And so you'll see that this includes aluminum cans, steel cans, plastic bottles with the 1 and 2 on the bottom. You'll see cardboard, and we want to make sure that it's flattened. Paper, as well as newspapers and magazines. So we're going to show you an example of a recycle bin and what you should and should not have. So let's see, Alan. I see you have folded cardboard. So that's very important.
Yes.
As well as that,
Got this.
we have, wait a minute, slow down. We have, this is what we were saying in terms of water bottles. 1, right?
Got these.
Got aluminum cans. So these are all the things that are okay to put inside your bin.
Paper.
Paper, perfect.
Boxes like this.
Boxes, all of those are great.
Great recycle.
And I see you have some paper, right? And you have some cardboard boxes. Okay, so these are the things that are okay to recycle. So let's talk about what's not okay to recycle. Let's see. Okay, we have these wonderful plastics. Anybody who shops at Amazon has a lot of these, I bet you. So this, do not recycle. Do not put in the bin. Wood, do not put wood in this bin. Plastic bags, do not put plastic bags in. Wires, do not put these in.
How about it?
Oh no, that's dirty. We shouldn't put that in there, right? Okay, and what else?
We ain't got no glass. We got
No glass or these types of plastic products should go inside. So let me ask you this question. We have paper. What about shredded paper?
Oh, yeah, that's good.
It's good as long as you put it in a
In a bag.
plastic container so they can see what's inside. So this was just a quick tutorial on what's good to have and what's not good to have when we recycle. But the most important thing is that we want you to be a part of the process and recycle and make sure we have a cleaner, greener Clarkston. And thank you so much for helping us in going over what is recyclable and what's not. So what do we do every Monday when you guys come around with a light recycle?
Perfect.
All right. Thank you. Make sure on Mondays you recycle and you have a tutorial of what's acceptable and what's not. So keep up the